Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of your vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle, and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the suspension control arms to ensure that the wheels are always firmly on the ground. These elements can often get jammed, so use a penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. In order to get full access to the sway bar links, release the tie rod end from the steering knuckle. To do this, we recommend watching the video, changing the tie rod end on your Clio 2. On your Clio 2, the sway bar link is directly attached to the steering knuckle. It is often jammed, so we recommend saving time by disking it. To do this, protect the area of your car around the cut from splashes. Once cut, lever it off using a fork between the sway bar and the control arm to remove the links.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Take the new stabilizer bar link. Start by slightly lifting the suspension control arms using a jack to create a sufficiently large space to install the link. Levering with a fork, put the central part in place. Then, slip in the screw with a rubber top. To be able to put in the rubber bottom and the nut, you have to push on the central rubber using a pair of locking pliers. This will increase the length of the 3 available. Once you have fully inserted it, put in the rubber bottom and screw on the first threads of the nut. Using a 13mm spanner and a Torx T30 socket, firmly tighten it in place. To be able to put in the rubber bottom and the nut, you have to push on the central rubber using a pair of locking pliers. This will increase the length of the thread available. Put the ball joint back in place. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground, before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.